Are you tired of manually vacuuming your home, only to have dust bunnies and dirt accumulate again within days? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to get the most out of the top two robot vacuums of 2026, S.C.A.L.A and Eufy. With their advanced navigation systems and powerful suction capabilities, these robots can help you keep your floors spotless with minimal effort. First, let's take a look at the S.C.A.L.A R85. This robot vacuum features a 1.3 L dustbin capacity and can clean up to 2,000 square feet on a single charge. To start, make sure you have the S.C.A.L.A Clean app downloaded on your smartphone. Open the app, and you'll see a home screen with options to schedule cleanings, view cleaning history, and monitor the robot status. To schedule a cleaning, tap the Clean button in the top right corner of the screen. Select the area you want the robot to clean by tapping on the corresponding map view. You can choose from preset areas like the living room or kitchen, or create custom zones to suit your needs. For example,